Guys, welcome back. So as promised, I'm going to be sharing my wash day routine and showing you guys how I've been cleaning my hair since I stopped using shampoo. So I've been using the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay and apple cider vinegar to clean my hair, and there are different ways that you can do this. You can either use hot water and the Indian Healing Clay for this, or you can use apple cider vinegar like I am. And you're aiming for kind of like a thick pancake consistency. You don't want anything too watery because then it'll just create a big mess. So once you've mixed up your clay and your apple cider vinegar, this is what your mixture should look like. The application process is fairly simple. I just take my hair into 4 sections, I break those into subsections, spray my hair with warm water, and then I start applying the paste from my roots down to my tips. So it's kind of like just placing this heavy paste on your hair, and you're just breaking your subsections into smaller sections just to ensure that you're applying this product to every part of your hair. And it's important that you apply it to your scalp because the Aztec Healing Clay is meant for cleaning out any toxins and clearing out any dandruff that you may have. And that's why I specifically love using this product to clean my hair. This product really does draw out all the toxins from your hair and all of the dirtiness that you have built up, especially, you know, us naturals that we use a lot of different products on our hair. So I love that it cleans out your hair, and although it cleans it out, it does not strip your hair of its moisture. It's also my favorite product to use because it really does help reduce frizz and it defines your curls. If you have any certain type of scalp issues such as dandruff or a dry scalp, then I think that this would be the best product to use to alleviate any of those issues. Once all of the product has been applied to my hair, I put on a shower cap and I leave it in for about 20 minutes until it gets hard. Then I hop under the shower and I begin to rinse. When I get a good 90% of the product out of my hair, I go ahead and start conditioning. And for this, I'll be using the Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner by Shea Moisture, but you can use any conditioner that works best for you. I apply this all over my hair and then I begin to detangle. After detangling comes the most important part. I rinse out the conditioner and then I begin my deep conditioning process. This is the most important part if you really want your hair to be really healthy and really full of volume and just beautiful curls. So I'll be using the Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Seal Mask, which is my ultimate favorite deep conditioner. If you've seen any of my other videos linked above, then you know that I love using this deep conditioner. Once I leave that in my hair for a good maybe 10 minutes, I go ahead and rinse out the deep conditioner and I just comb through my hair just to make sure that everything is detangled and rinse that out. So that's pretty much it for my wash day routine. The process may seem like a lot to do, but it is really the best way to get the best maximum definition for your hair and the most healthiest curls. I hope that this video was helpful and that you try this process out and maybe it works for you. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one.